Hi guys, we just built a new Calamares dev development, and just a name is the new one. The 3.2.36 is out just a few hours ago, and there we go. We have it on ALCI, not on ArcoLinux and not on Cardi, but here it is. Let's test it out. I often do the lazy thing, and we all have our own workflow, and there is so much time I spent in this project. So the lazy thing is just erase disk and then choose one of the four and go ahead. But people still ask me questions that should be obvious already. Calamares, right? Anywhere, Ubuntu, Lubuntu, whoever uses it, not Ubuntu, but I think Lubuntu, Xubuntu, any one of those, and 30 others that use Calamares and have a certain version, of course, that's important. You can do some stuff with it. And what's that? You can say to the system, me personally, I'm gonna go for this little button, educational wise, then I speak about it. But it's sometimes interesting to clean everything away. Everything is gone then. You need to think about MBR GPT or UFI. This is a virtual box, so I chose for MBR. So I need to choose for MBR again. And then everything is gone. Everything is gray, and then you can go. This is what I do in Windows 10 as well. All partitions gone, and then let it create this thing. So you create primary extended. Primary is good. And this is the question people ask. Can we have? Sure. I made a video about NTFS, or the Windows partitions format, so you can have communication between both. XFCS, JVS, BTRFS, there is so much more. Lux is in progress. We'll get there, but eventually, right? There's so much to do, and probably a small team to do it with. That's how it is in Calamares as well. So, okay, BTRFS, fine. Encrypt, no encrypt. I don't think encrypting is yet possible. This is, however. Then we do a slash. Keep it simple. Simple and stupid is great. And then we boot. Voila, that's all you need. And BTRFS is sometimes together with the other application. Can I show you the other application? I have, come on, all typos until now. Time shifts. And no, I can't show you. Too bad. So, Timeshift and BTRFS are together with each other. There's an option in Timeshift to take advantage of this particular file system, so that's good. That might be a reason why you're doing it. And then, okay, next. This will be always there because it's a manual thing, so it just alerts you. Remember, there's a GPT, and remember, and so on. But basically for me, it doesn't matter, because I'm MBR, and off we go. And I will have something. What is that something actually? Let's have a look. What am I actually building? I go to ALCI, I go to the ALCI ISO dev, Arch ISO packages, and I chose not to have ALCI Calamares, but I chose to use the new one. And then these things are on there. Network Manager, Xorg is there already. No drivers, don't need them. LightDM JTK greeter is there, or no SDM, just that one. And base development is there. XFC4, okay, I'll end up in an XFC4 with NeoFetch. Since I tend to take always an image and have to say sudo pacman minus s NeoFetch. Tiresome. All right, that's it. Nothing more to say, just to wait. It's very quick actually. This ALCI, I'm very excited about the project. I hope you too. I see a user on Discord really being a super fans, and that's good. It's that passion is the vision. If it clicks, it clicks, and then you say, okay, gonna stick around. All right, booting up again. All right, and here we are. So we have ourselves a system, yeah, not much to see, right? But it's our file system is btrfs. I guess we can type something in here, ls blocker or something like that. Not really. sf disk, c disk, what is it again? cf disk, something like that. That's it. I can't. Sure I can. Sudo. Sudo I can. And here we have some information. Okay, btrfs. The other option was go install, yeah, partition manager or something like that. All right, guys, it's up and running. Now it's having fun. Cheers.